Hello and welcome into another LeetCode challenge. Today we'll be doing easy one, move zeros. Given an integer array nums, move all zeros to the end of it while maintaining the relative order of the non-zero elements. Note that you must do this in place without making a copy of the array. We have example 1, 0, 1, 0, 3, 12. We are doing 1, 3, 12, 0, 0. Example second 0, output 0. Alright, let's think about the solution and get back to coding. So we are back in the LeetCode console. I will be using JavaScript, but you can use many other languages as well. So the most crucial thing here is about this doing in place, because if we didn't need to do it in place, then we would just can go through each individual element of the array and create a new one, and if the element is not 0, just push it to the array and then fill the rest with zeros. But if we want to do it in place, we will do it in a pointers approach. So we will create two pointers. One will be, let's call it a reader one, and the second one will be a writer. Let's try to code it a little bit and it will make more sense. So let's instantiate a write equal to 0, because we will start at the beginning of the array. And now let's create a very basic for loop to go through all the elements. So let's do let read equal 0 up to read less than nums length to go through all the elements, and just read plus plus. So what we then want to do, so if the element is not 0, we want to push it to the beginning, so we will push it to the right and then do write plus 1. So let's code it. It would be this way. So if nums add read isn't 0, then we want to do nums add write equal nums add read, so current element that we are on, and we want to do write plus plus. So this will go, let's say here, through each individual element. That, let's say we will hit 0, we will skip it. So our writer pointer and our reader pointer is on the same place. So let's say here we are doing a first round. So we are checking if it is 0. If it's 0, we are just skipping it. Okay, we are moving read pointer to 1, but still remaining at the right pointer here at the 0 element. Then we are checking, okay, 1 is equal to 0. No, it's not. So we are moving 1, we are putting it into writer position and moving writer up 1 spot. So we are just going through all the elements. And if we will hit the end of the array, that means our writer pointed is exhausted, so we will go out through this loop, and all the elements that are non-zero will be already written to the beginning of the array. But we also need to fill the rest with zeros, so we will create another for loop at the end, and let's say let I equal write, because we will start from the writer pointer, current writer pointer, I less than nums length, I plus plus, and then we will just do nums at I equal to 0, and that should do everything. So let's run it. Okay. Typo. Run it. Okay, both cases are accepted, and let's do a whole suit. And yeah, we are accepted on the whole one as well. So that makes for a solution to this particular problem. If you would like to see more of such challenges, let me know down in the comments what issues you are having or what problem you would like to solve, and of course subscribe to the channel for all the other solutions and new videos. So see ya next time.